should I build an app? So many of you, I hope, as you've been teaching and thinking and trying to figure out what are better ways to figure out how to do this, I thought the best way to talk about this is really how we have been trained actually as we go, as we look for funding sources, because it is a very expensive process. The Shark Tank approach is a very, very smart approach to trying to figure out, can I do this? Do I have the right population that I'm focused on? So let me give you some questions that I think are critical for any of you who are thinking of building or dreaming of building. So the target population. Who is the target population? As an instructor, what is the problem that you're trying to solve? What is the solution that you think? Can you think about, of all the various things that I can try to build within my ability, what is the ideal solution, right? And what is the competition? Because you don't want to build something and all of a sudden realize there's 5 of the same thing already out there. Okay? And then the financial horsepower and the technological horsepower. These are big issues, largely because we are specialists in medicine and we are poor. I don't know if you all... My dad, who is a professor in Singapore, he's like, son, how much do you make? You're 15 years in. How much do you make? And I told him, not very much, Dad. He's like, whoa, you make that little? That's sad. I'm like, Dad, we love what we do. So, hey, the downside to it is we don't have a lot of reserve financial horsepower. And I'll share a little bit about the cost and the expenses related to this. So I'm going to talk you through how I go through this process and give you a glimpse of how at the output that we came up with some pretty cool apps that I think.